What is the meaning of efforts? Doing hard work. Doing hard work. So if we do the efforts, we will get the results. Put the efforts, get the results. What I said, repeat it. No efforts. So efforts are very important, very crucial, very important. Without hard work, will you get the success?
No.
Success
Will
take a lot of time and it takes a lot of hard work. It takes a lot of pain. It takes a lot of problems. It takes a lot of patience, sabr, hard work. All together is called like it's a combination, it's a package. Success will not come in a day. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of efforts. Then you will get a success. And that success will be very much happy. What you will do? You will enjoy the success. Then you will sleep again?
No.
They will start your another journey. In FA1 you got a good result. Will you stop and say, oh, I got a nice percentage. Very good, I am very happy, I will sleep right now. I will take rest. Will you do this?
No.
Then FA2 will come, then quarterly will come, then half yearly will come. 9th class if you have passed, then you will prepare for 10th. Oh, I have passed the 10th class, I should stop work out right now. Hooray, I won the job. Is it so?
No.
Will you stop doing your work? What will you do then? After 10th, again you will go for intermediate. Then by completing intermediate, again you will go for graduation. So the success is a process. Success is a
Process.
It's a process. It takes a time. It takes a time. It takes your time. It takes your efforts. And you need a patience. You can't be always eager to get the success. You need to have a patience. थोड़ा सब्र रहना पड़ता है सक्सेसफुल